Hey boys and girls, today we are looking at Wednesday's assignment. So remember, going to your math, we should be on Wednesday, April 1st. Clicking on Wednesday, you again have your discussion time. Your discussion for today says, Denise went to see a movie. The movie started at 1:05 p.m. and ended at 2:35 p.m. How long did the movie last? Explain your reasoning. So I want you to try to solve this out on a separate piece of paper, and then go ahead and in your below here, go ahead and type your answer, and then when you're finished with that, hit post. Then going back, next you have your video of me teaching the lesson. Then step 3, we have your another way. This again is through our math book. You should be logged in from yesterday. Hopefully, if not, remember that you're clicking the bottom and it should say, you should find Manatee County. And then it should take you right to our visual learning. You might have to scroll down a little bit to then hit play to watch it. And that's just another way. Remember, not clicking the back arrow here, but going back to Wednesday. Once you're finished with that, we again have our anchor chart with our steps, with our elapsed time, as explained in my video. And then you have your independent work and your work to put in your answer. So remember, with your independent work, please do this on a separate piece of paper. It should pop up your questions. I want you to solve numbers 1 through 13. And then in our quiz, remember that you're going through and looking at those numbers. So for example, if it says on your quiz, number 5, you're going to, this is the question that's in your quiz, and you're going to put your answer that you solved for number 5. So when you're done independently, your quiz, in yours, you should hopefully just have to take it, or it should say start a new attempt. You can take this as many times as you would like. So remember, here you have some that are writing those answers in. This one is number 1 on your independent. This one is number 2 on your independent. Here's number 6 on your independent. This is your elapsed time. Just writing it in the blank. Number 7 on your independent. Writing it in the blank, and then multiple choice at the very end, A through D. Remember, when you're finished, go ahead and hit submit, and then you are all done for Wednesday.